President Trump has shown beyond any ray of doubt and imagination that he is a man for peace. He is a man for promoting peace and beneficial business deals. He's a man who is against escalation. He's a man who is against Cold War and hot war. He's a man who wants humanity to live in tranquility, to contribute its might towards promotion of progress and prosperity, not in one particular region, but globally. And that is manifested in his statements recently, over the last few weeks, where he has openly stated that he advised both India and Pakistan to trade for trade, investments, and give up war and de-escalate.